What's up, guys? We got another review. We're doing ice tips today since it's getting a little warmer out. And I got the Soguk over here.
And I have the Mystique ice pick.
Also, if you have an Astley hose, it's fucking ridiculously long.
Yeah, that's a bit much.
I was not anticipating this.
But
yeah.
So I'll start it off. So like I said, I have the ice pick, Mystique ice pick. Simple enough. Toss this in the freezer for about, to be safe, an hour. And got the little shit right here. It's hard to see, but you got the little gel packs inside. What freezes, and then when you draw, you have some nice, cool smoke.
This one's a little different. It's a PVC pipe with end caps and some tubing. And it has the same gel stuff, but it's enclosed inside this tube right here.
Not in ice packs either. Just
nope, just a straight gel. And I don't know.
That's really about it.
The tip is really comfortable on this.
It's rubber. I also really do the faults and comparison with these. The fault of this thing is this thing lasts literally like 45 minutes at most before you're just drawing in the normal temperature smoke. Which, it's nice, but 45 minutes isn't giving you that much, which is why I have two. So I just switch them out if I ever really need cool up smoke. But that's about it. It's kind of fragile. I mean, I'll show you again right there.
You drop it once, it's guaranteed to crack.
Yeah. Luckily, this was warm, so it didn't break. But I had another one of these that my buddy dropped out of his freezer when it was ice cold, and it just shattered into a million pieces, and I almost cried.
And this one, I would say it's a little tougher because PVC is a tougher material. That's more of like a
plastic. It's
like a very soft density plastic, so it's not very durable as far as dropping. And this is PVC. I'm not guaranteeing that it won't break. I don't recommend dropping it ever. You don't really want to drop anything of a mouth tip, really.
And again, it's also rubber seals, so
the only issue I've had with this, which it is doing it again, is, well, I'll just show you this side. It's basically this on both ends, and you get a thicker rubber to seal it in an Egyptian grommet in a, I don't know, modern hose. But it leaks. I don't know why it's happened to me twice now. The first one came and it was leaking, and I had to take it back to 5-star. This one is just deciding to leak again. I guess I was a little too rough with it when I took it out of the freezer. And now it's leaking again. So I'm going to try silicone on that and see how that works.
Now, we're going to do a little comparison with these. Now, I do like the ice picks, but they're not necessary. How about that? Unless it's really hot and you really need some cool smoke, because hot smoke is it's horrible. So I will say overall the Soguk is better as far as cooling. The Soguk will last you 2 hours.
Probably last 2 hours.
And it functions better. This, you need a more so the Egyptian hose or any kind of hose that has a detachable mouthpiece. Whereas the Soguk, it can adapt to any hose, mod hose, any hose.
Say you have a
mod hose.
Say if you have like a Maya hose, you can, if you bring this, let me stand up so you can see this. If you bring this black thing and you slide it down here, you can stick the end of like a Maya hose or any like cheapo starter hose you got in there. Does not work with the fancy hose though. That does not fit in there.
Too big of a.
No, it's the.
Not too big.
It's too small.
Too small?
It slips out.
Oh wow.
It's loose.
It's like throwing a hot pocket down my shaft. Along with that, what I don't like about the Soguk is its durability. It's rubber seals, so don't know why they chose rubber, because when you freeze rubber, it's very, very brittle.
Yeah, like I've never done it with this, but the extra piece that you get, and if you leave it in the refrigerator or freezer, you can like kind of, it won't crack on you, but you can hear it kind of cracking. It's vinyl, but it won't ever crack on you. But this apparently is very sensitive around the glued parts of the hose.
So each have their own faults. I mean,
they're both priced about the same, $24 depending where you go, and
30
$30 for this. depending where you go. Actually, no, 30 everywhere. Just 30 everywhere. Doesn't matter.
Now, not taking away that these are not quality products. I mean, well, they're good products. How about that? I mean, if you really want that cool smoke, then I do recommend these. There's a couple other ones that we don't have, like such as the Mia.
The Maya or the Mia, however you say it.
Mia ISOs. Fuck, I don't even know what is.
I think it's Maya ISO.
Maya Freezos.
Maya Freeze? I think it's called Maya Freeze.
Yes.
And it just has gel packs in there.
Yeah, it's a,
and you can take them out and change them out once they aren't cool anymore.
Yeah, but those last like a whopping 10 minutes.
Nah, that's like maybe 20.
Huh. But, like I said, I do recommend them. Not necessary, but on a day, a nice, beautiful, sunny, hot Southern California weather day.
Swamp ass day.
Yes, these are fantastic for the short time.
Ice in the base only gets you so far.
Yes, it does. Then again, these only get you so far too.
Yeah.
Before they start melting, in your case, leaking in your hose, which I'm sure it's doing right now. Hose is ruined.
Nah.
Probably.
Bullshit.
Bullshisha.
Oh, ha, ha,
Ha.
ha. Oh,
Ha.
you got a comedian over here.
Yeah, not really. I'm boring. But that's about it, folks. So stay tuned for our next video, which will probably be in like a month because we suck at making videos. So
Nah.
adios, motherfuckers.